Hey there, I know the times are hard and that's why I want to show you this. What if I told you that there's actually a way you can earn US dollars every single day of the week performing simple tasks on the website? I'll show you. Now, it's very simple. Without further ado, what you want to do is follow me to my screen. I'm going to be doing this on my phone, so all you have to do is to follow me to my phone and see how I register on this platform and how I actually make $2, $3, $4, $5, $10 every single day of the week by simply performing this simple text I'm going to be showing you. Now follow me to my screen. Let me show you how that works. So all you have to do is to come on this website, all right, 711invip.net. I am going to share the link to that website in the description below. All you have to do is to click on that link and then you'd register. So clearly all you have to do is to either register using your email or register using your phone number. Now if you're registering with your email, all you have to do is to come here and enter your email address and come here and enter your password. But I already have an account already, so that's why the interface is showing me this way. But if you do not, you're going to click on sign up and then you do this. It says register by email or register by phone. So I'm registering by email, right? So you enter your email here, you enter your password, your chosen password, you re-enter your password. Please make sure that you do not forget the password you're using. And once you enter your password, for instance this, make sure that you click on the show so that you can see your password to be sure that what you entered is actually correct. All right, because there's a possibility that you register a password and it is wrong and then you think you know it and then you miss one word, and then eventually once you miss your password you can't be able to recover your account. Then of course the invitation code, which will be my invitation code as a result of you clicking on the link in the description below. All right, but for me I already have an account, so I'm not going to do this. I'm just going to click on sign in. If you have an account, then I'm going to enter my email here. Very simple. I'm going to enter my email here. Then the next thing I want to do is to enter my password here. Then I'll click on sign in. So as you can see, I'm currently signed in. So this is all announcement and all that. So I'm just going to click on close because I do not need that. So clearly you can see how what my account looks like. So withdrawal successful. This is to show you that I've actually made withdrawal here before, and this was on the 9th of March, and you can see today's date is actually the 12th of March, right? So clearly what I want to do first of all is to explain to you how this works. So you can see clearly here that you can either choose to be a VIP 1, VIP 2, VIP 3, VIP 4. Now on VIP 1, all you need is $11 to register. On VIP 2, all you need is about $50 or $53 to register. On VIP 3, then you go on to $58. Then you have VIP 4, VIP 5, VIP 6, VIP 7, VIP 8, and so forth. So you register for which you are interested in. As for me, I registered for VIP 1, which gives me an access, and I did this using $11. Now if I need to credit my account, if you need to credit your account, all you have to do is to actually come and click on this button here, recharge. And then once I click on recharge, you can see my wallet address here is here. So I'm just going to click on copy. And then the next thing I want to do is to go on my Bybit account. You can see my Bybit account here. So I'm going to click on withdraw from my Bybit account. Now I'm going to withdraw from my funding account, and it's asking me to input my address. I'm going to paste my address here, allow to paste, and then I'm going to choose my network here, which is of course TRC20, and then it's going to ask me how much I want to withdraw. Right now what I want to withdraw into my account, of course, is $11, right? So that's what I want to withdraw into my account. So I'm just going to click on withdraw, and then that's about it. It's going to ask me to do some authentication. So as you can see, withdrawal application is successful. In process, please head to the asset page to check the status. All right, I'm going to come here back to my asset page so you can be sure that I actually withdrew this money. You can see it's now $735 US, right? So that's how you make you withdraw from your crypto wallet into the 711 account, and then you can see how much you have in your account. Now what I want to do is I want to come here and click on team. When you click on team here, you can see the amount of people who are registered here under you. Of course, you can make money by referral, so I would advise that you take advantage of this referral program. Don't just make money by performing tasks, you can also make money by referring people. So for you to refer anyone, all you have to do is to come here and click on copy, and then you can see so copied successfully. This is my referral link, and this up here is my referral code, and that's about registering. So once people register under you, you see them here, and then anybody who actually go ahead to actually invest in this platform, you get a commission from it. Now this is my account. You can see currently I have a balance of 311 US dollars, and that's how much you're going to have once you register on this platform. You can see recharge amount is 00 USD. Now I can decide to transfer, I can decide to make withdrawals. So if I want to make withdrawals from this platform, all I have to do is to click on the withdraw, right? Click on the withdraw button. And currently you can see I have 11 USDT in my account, so I can withdraw this 11 USDT. However, I want to first of all perform my tax for the day. So to perform a tax for the day, all you have to do is to come on the tax platform, right? You can see currently I have a tax that is going to expire in 16 minutes 53 seconds, or 16 hours 52 minutes and 58 seconds. I'm just going to click on complete, and then you can see my tax is loading, and the tax has been successfully completed. Now to prove to you that this actually works, I'm going to come back to my account, and you can see initially it was $311. I just made $202 rather from performing a simple tax, and that makes it $213 now. So what I want to do is to show you how you can actually withdraw, to show you that this actually works. So I'm going to come here and click on withdraw. Now you can see this is my account, this is my crypto wallet, and so already I pasted my TRC20 wallet address here. So this is where you paste it. All right, so I want to choose how much I want to withdraw. So I'm going to click on $2 or 2 USDT. That's how much I want to withdraw. It will require me to enter my password, which I will do. So I'm just going to enter my password. And I'm going to click on confirm. And as you can see, withdrawal successful, which means I successfully withdrew $2 from this account into my crypto wallet. This is just to prove to you that you can actually withdraw money from this platform. It is not one of those platforms that will tell you that you can't withdraw after you've made so much money. All right, so guys, I'm going to go to my Bybit account to show you how this works. Now if you do not have a Bybit account and you want to actually have a Bybit account, I also made a video in the description below. You see the link, so you just have to click on it and actually register for Bybit account, and you can deposit your USDT there and eventually use it to deposit money here. You can also use Binance or any crypto wallet that actually works for you. Now let me show you actually that I got this money in my account. So I'm just going to refresh my history so you can see that. So you can see a deposit of $2, 2 USDT has been confirmed to my account, and initially this was 500. You can see currently it's 502 USDT. So clearly this actually works, and you can withdraw your money into your crypto wallet, and that's about it. Now that you know how this works, my simple advice is invest what you can afford to lose. All right, every investment comes with some form of risk, so it's very simple, and all you have to do is to invest what you're willing to lose. But I can put it that this actually works.